Hey there, YouTube. Ghost Jake here with you today. How are you doing today? I'm doing quite well myself. I am sorry that it has been so long since my last video, but I've been kind of lazy, and that's completely my bad on that one. So I'm here to do another food review. In this food review, we're going to be doing we're going to be doing a hamburger place. Most of you guys probably wouldn't have never heard of this place, because it's a local business in my area called Giant Burger. Now, I'm not entirely sure if Giant Burger is, an Oregon only restaurant, or if there's others around the country. But that's what we felt like eating today, is Giant Burger. Like, I knew I was going to do a YouTube video, and originally I was thinking I was going to do Five Guys, because I know there's a Five Guys pretty much everywhere in the country, and Five Guys might get more views than just a local place. But anyway, let's start. And I do apologize for being gone for so long. A lot of the problem is I've been watching shows that won't make good YouTube videos, like for my TV show and movie reviews. Like I've been watching like Homicide Hunter, right? And we done with Lieutenant Joe Kenda, and I don't know if that would make a good YouTube video. And then I've been catching up on a show called Siren, and all those seasons are already over. I mean, once I get to season 3, I could do a review of the series of season 3, because season 3 ended like in March or May of 2020. So I could do that. But as far as like doing actual reviews of episodes, the shows I'm currently watching, I'm kind of behind where I need to be. In anyway, let's start this food review, shall we? So here are what the French fries look at from Giant Burger. They just seem like your ordinary French fries. To me, what do you think? What do you think they look like to you? Let's take a bite and see. They're good, but they need salt. So let's go get the salt, shall we? Boom, salt. So the unsalted fries, right now, I'll give them maybe like a 2.5. Yeah, you can see the salt on my finger if you really look. Look at that. Let's try this Vatican now that I have the salt on there. It's amazing. Just a simple thing like salt can drastically change the score. Oh, and I forgot to mention in the video, this is a 1 out of 5 rating. And since I added salt to that, it's like a 2.5, maybe it's more on the 2.5 scale. This is out of 5. Without the salt, now that I added the salt, it boosts the fries up to like a 3 to 3 to 3.5. It just wasn't very seasoned when I got it. Now let's open the hamburger. If I can open the hamburger by myself with one hand. Seems like I can. See, look at that. The hamburger doesn't want to let go of the little wrapper. I don't know if you can see very well right there. The cheese is hanging on to the wrapper of the hamburger right there. And this hamburger, if you were here in Oregon, it's called the Thug Burger. See, there's like a chicken strip on it. There's the cheese. There's like ham. There's like the hamburger. And there's like tomatoes on it too. Got some of the ham. Got some of the hamburger. This hamburger is actually really good. Now, with salt, 3 to 3.5. Without salt, 2.5. Hamburger on its own, that's easily a 4, between 4.5. So that means the overall rating for Giant Burger today is going to be a 4 out of 5. It was very good today, despite that it wasn't salted and the fries weren't salted enough for my liking. Anyway, guys, this is Ghost Jake signing off. I hope everyone is staying safe. I shall see you in my next video, which should be pretty soon. Hopefully, at least a lot sooner than this one was. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.